What do you want to buy for baby? That one?
Funny.
Funny Messi. Let's try. What's this?
It's a funny face.
It's a funny face. Let's try. Oh, wait lang. So funny.
Let's go buy that one.
Kapay.
Let's go put it on me.
Oh, it's baby. Go. Go, dali. Ngay. Ayan na.
Can buy that one.
Yes. Tell nanay.
I can buy that one.
Hi guys, galing kami ng doktor, ng pedia. First check-up ni baby. And kakatapos lang namin. Nandito kami sa Yusano, with nanay. What's that?
A funny face.
So may gustong bilhin si Max dito, ito. Para daw kay baby, guys. Anong tawagan dito?
Matas.
Mustache?
Matas.
Mustache. What is mustache?
Matas means water.
Mustache. Okay.
Madiba.
You're so funny. Oh, this is cute, oh.
I want this. I want that one.
Ano to? Liquid silicone pacifier. Yan, may pacifier na tayo. Hello! Smile! Hello! We're here at Yashano Mall kasama si Max and si Ellie. Max, don't run! Hello, baby! Good afternoon! And si Ellie. So, sabi ng pedya, after 2 weeks, babalik kami. Sino nga yung doktor natin, nanay? Dr. Rances. Diyan yung sa may St. Louis, sa may Mayon Avenue. So, babalik kami, guys, after 2 weeks. Okay, see? What's that? Dinosaur Park? It's for baby!
But that was not for baby. That's for Kuya.
That's for kuya.
For baby, it's tiny.
How much is that? How much? Oh no! So, mahal! Ochopon. Feeding bottle. Ha? Please? What's that? Meron ka pa niyan? What? There's a what? There's no chicken on it.
No.
You like chicken? It's dinosaur.
But I like that one. I don't like chicken. Because I don't like chicken. I like that one.
Look.
Ano ba yan ang mga
Ay, balik mo na. Tomorrow na lang, tomorrow.
I don't like it, Mama.
Ano, baby socks. Yan, meron na siya nito, dalawa. Yan, oh. Pink. Pink. What's that? Diaper mat. Yeah. Kailangan natin to, diaper mat. Wow.
And look, there's a cuckoo clock.
Hello.
Mare, kung magbakal ka muna ng tubig.
So, kuha tayo ng Hansel para kay Max. Yan. Ito yung favorite Hansel ni Max. Milky strawberry sandwich. And cream O para kay nanay. And syempre cream O para kay nanay. Wala yung ano. Ito lang yung meron na cream O. So okay na to. Yan, para to kay nanay. And bibili tayo ng tubig. Tubig ni Max.